Hello everybody, it's me, Beau. I am going out on a limb here because there are only 2 ratings here at the publishing of this review. We'll see if this custom embroidered cap actually turns out. So this is the very beginning of the process, and I'm gonna show you when we go to click customize, and we can type in any text right here that we'd like, but I don't wanna do that. I actually have a custom image because I want to replicate this guy's hat right there. How cool is that? So if we were to go over to right there, I created a transparent PNG file. I just used a free Photoshop version called GIMP, G-I-M-P. But if you don't know anything about Photoshop or anything like that, just get your grandson to say, hey man, can I just put this text on a transparent PNG? And he'll probably be like, sure, Boomer, I can help you with that. Okay, now back to this, shall we? All right, we're gonna go ahead and upload the image, and I'm gonna click browse and find that and double click, and now it is just uploaded just like that. How cool is that? And of course, we can adjust it. I'm not sure if I wanna take up all that real estate because that's quite a bit. But of course, that text, the not, is, that not text is, it's kind of small, so. Okay, so I'm gonna click add to cart, and the next time you see me is when I actually have this hat. We'll see. And guess what just showed up in the mail? Not but a week or 2 later, give or take some. I'm not too picky because it is custom. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. This is amazing. Okay, so first impressions is that looks fantastic. It's a very cheap hat, so it's not even a snapback. That's kind of probably to be expected. But this is amazing. Now all I need to do is kind of flatten it out like the meme, like this. And this is, I'm gonna offend so many ATF federal agents when they go and research my FFL that I'm applying for. They're probably gonna see this video and they're gonna be like, I'm not sure if we should grant him his license. So far, let's take a closer look at the actual, that's actually pretty good quality. I really wasn't sure about the thin lines, but they doubled up those lines, and that is pretty darn good quality. So yeah, it's centered, it's exactly where I wanted it. This is just great. I love this so much. I'm gonna wear this every time I transfer firearms. So there's a real world demonstration what it looks like. I'm gonna put the link in the description below if you want to go and customize your own hat. Photoshop something, upload it, type in your text, do whatever you like, but this is how mine turned out, and I'll leave the link in the description below to this exact Amazon listing so you can look at maybe other people's reviews or maybe order a hat yourself. My name is Beau. Catch you later.